Okay, 2004 Chevy Colorado with a 4.8 liter V8 swap with a T56 6-speed transmission. That's my wideband controller for tuning. So we'll go ahead and do a startup here. It's just because it's the sunlight that you don't see the cluster. There you go. Okay, so it says park brake because I got the parking brake on. Now there's no messages on the DIC, no check engine lights. Seatbelt's flashing just because I don't have it plugged in. I can put it on for a sec here. Okay. Kind of hot. Crack the windows open. Alright, so let's go for a drive, see if we can get the cruise to work. Hard to find a straight stretch that I can hit to get above 50 kilometers an hour. That pulse setting you hear is the ABS kicking in. It's a little overactive because of the T56 having the 17 tooth reluctor instead of the 40 tooth like it should have. Okay, cruise is on, the little green light. And the whine that you hear is because my steering column is bent. Or the cruise sensor that I swapped over from my other truck that I wrecked is, I don't know, either one of the two. This column came out of the other truck that I hit a tree with. There's clearly something wrong with it because it makes a creaking noise. So the ABS, the rear wheel speed drops off, which is fed from the transmission output shaft. And that's why the ABS wants to kick in. It doesn't have a good enough resolution with the 17 tooth reluctor wheel on there. You can get a 40 tooth reluctor wheel from JTR, Jigs That Run. I think it's about 70 bucks. And you can install that. I'm probably going to do that. It is a little bit annoying, but it's only at speeds, say under 3 kilometers an hour that it kicks in. So it's up to you. The speedometer does work. If you play with the settings, it's a little finicky to do it, but it does work. So anyways, that's it. There's no lights or anything like that on.